2004 Pontiac GTO here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Listen to this, clean Carfax, adult owned and driven, actual miles, 24,336 is all. That's right, just a little over 24,000 on this car. Of course, LS1 5.7 liter power underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, heater blows hot, torrid red exterior with the red hot leather seat upgrade. Take a look at this front fascia. You can see it's not full of rock chips, dings. You might find a couple very small little spots where a previous owner has touched up a little bit of a pebble chip, what have you, but overall this paint shows well. You can see it almost appears to be wet. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, and those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. It's riding on the correct Pontiac wheels, BF Goodrich radials, and technician noted. Date codes on those 2019, 2023, plenty of tread left. Tires are good. Brakes, 70% in the front, 70% in the rear. This is a car, get in, turn the key, and go. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. I did notice one little one, if I can find this thing back. It's right back in this area, and it is pretty minute. I don't know if I can even find it back or see it. There. And I mean, pretty minor, but trying to give you a fair observation of this car with a walk around video. Very clean. All right, interior, also beautiful shape. There's that torrid red, kind of an ebony two-tone interior. Blount punk, factory stereo, CD changer. There's that console with the automatic transmission and overdrive. Of course, the GTO wing. Now, if you stick around to the very end of this video, we're going to start it up. Let's hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, and Jason will take it for a drive too, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. The exhaust is complete with catalytic converters. And yes, the paint looks as good in person as it does in the video and the pictures. Like I said, this red almost appears like it's wet. Has had a fresh oil change also. If you look in the still pictures, you're going to see some GTO literature that'll go with this, like a showroom brochure and kind of GTO brochure. If you like GTOs, Pontiacs, maybe just kind of late model muscle cars in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. Driver's side looks as good as the passenger side. I've not noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches, or any little tiny ones to point out over here. Let's take a look at this interior. All right, there's that door panel, the red hot leather. Power seat over here in the driver's side. And remember, this is a clean Carfax low mile car, and it shows. The leather seating surface, again, great shape. GTO embroidered seats, and these seats are comfortable. Great bolsters on them. Of course, cruise control, tilt column. I think we better fire this up. Red face gauges, love those. There's your exact miles, 24,336. All right, and as you can see, no service engine soon, anything like that. Not bad fuel economy on the average, 18.5. That'll get better too on the highway, guarantee it. That 5.7 liter, that's a reliable engine with some good economy. All right, stereo working, there it is. Good sounding stereos too, the Blount Punk. 6 CD changer, AM, FM, of course. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. No surprises on the inside. Headliner, like new. Man, this one's a beauty. Let's listen. Nice little throaty exhaust note. And remember, complete exhaust. Catalytic converter's intact. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second, get this hood open so we can check out the engine bay, and then like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive. Alright, hood liner. Look how clean that is. Tell this car has not been driven in inclement weather. Speaking of clean, look at this engine bay. And hood strut's in great shape. No surprises. Get in, turn the key, go have some fun. Clean Carfax, 24,336 miles is all this 2004 Pontiac GTO. Call us, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 2004 Pontiac GTO. Red with a red and black interior. Nice low mileage. And it looks and feels it. This is an automatic on the center console, so it's easy to drive. Very nice throttle response. Kicked in right on the corner there, and you could feel the G-force just a little bit as I was taking off. Maybe you couldn't see it, but I could feel it. Our fuel tank is showing 1/8 of a tank. The temperature gauge about 1/3 of the way up from cold. Tachometer, speedometer working as they should. Stereo works as it should.
Tomorrow is the day. Stan Monkey will be back in studio with me. We're live, we're local.
Volume now might be a little touchy. I have not tested CD, but FM is working. The AC blows cold in this car. Nice bucket seats, very comfortable. This car isn't even broken in yet. You missed your chance to get a low mileage GTO from this era. This is the one, especially if you like red. Brakes nice and smooth. Everything is smooth with this car. Pontiac had the ergonomics down nicely. Corners really well. There's that kick down. Definitely feel the power kicking in. Take a look at all the pictures of this Pontiac GTO from 2004 at UniqueClassicCars.com.